In the modern construction industry, concrete is a basic load keeper in all buildings. Traditionally, people are using iron rods for concrete reinforcement for ages. However, there are a number of new advanced technologies introduced to construction industry within the last century. Use of steel for concrete reinforcement has become such developed that it has created the basics for concrete reinforcement. Despite of lots advantages, steel has many limitations which engineers are always looking forward to mitigate. Such limitations are high cost, heavy weight, corrosion, and difficulties to handle. One of such technologies to mitigate these challenges is composite materials like glass fiber reinforced polymer bars. It has been developed in 1940s as an aerospace technology and first used in construction in 1960s as a military technology, since it doesn't have magnetic effect and thus building cannot be detected by radars. 1970s, 1990s were years of technological development of its manufacturing process, increasing production speed and making it more cost-efficient. Became very popular for its electricity non-conductive properties for construction of hospitals for MRI medical cabinet. Up to mid-1990s, the Japanese had the most FRP reinforcement applications. In the beginning of 2000s, China became the largest user of composites with their applications at bridge decks and underground works. Currently, leaders in GFRP bars use are USA and Canada because of their non-corrosive properties in construction of bridge decks and car park slabs. Almost every European country has building codes of design and construction with GFRP bars. Composite materials technology has also been brought to Africa. The Republic of Ghana was the first country on the continent to adopt its own standards for the design and construction with GFRP bars in 2018. Based on American Concrete Institution's guide and newly released code, which formed a basis for an adoption in Ghana relevant standards, a manufacturing plant has been built. It is successfully operating since 2017. Viva Company Ghana Limited is a pioneer manufacturer of GFRP bars used for concrete reinforcement in sub-Saharan Africa. It has developed a solution for most of those limitations of iron rod in horizontal tensile strength reinforcement. Viva Fiberglass bars are best to use for straight horizontal members of concrete reinforcement to adapt tensile strength to concrete. It's perfect for combination with iron rods, which are to be utilized at all curved and vertical members to secure rest of strengths like shear and compression. Such combination will assure best strength and efficiency ratio for the project. Viva Fiberglass bars has minimum tensile strength of 900 MPa per millimeter square, when actual test results confirmed by Bureau Veritas are above 1500 MPa. It is also much lighter than iron rods. Thus, its tensile strength is 7 times lighter and up to 50% cheaper than the one of iron rods. Its properties do not reduce because of bendings. The length of packaging unit is up to 150 meters, which prevents overlapping on long slabs. It also doesn't rust. At the same time, Viva Fiberglass bars show slightly different results when it comes to shear and compression strengths. Its shape cannot be changed after manufacturing. These factors makes merger of iron rods and Viva Fiberglass bars a perfect solution for concrete reinforcement. It's not that cost efficient to use Viva Fiberglass bars for shear and compression zones, but make it a perfect for straight horizontal members of slabs and beams overlapped with L shapes and U shapes of iron rods at edges, delivering needed shear and compression strengths. Viva has created a hub of civil engineers and design agencies, making it possible to design and redesign concrete structures with a combination of iron rods and Viva Fiberglass bars in accordance to current local and international design codes, giving its clients new solutions and making slabs and beams reinforced much lighter and also cheaper with no risk. There are thousands of buildings of different types, commercial, industrial, residential, with ground and suspended slabs which were built around Africa with Viva Fiberglass bars since 2017, giving this approach a firm winning position to any other concrete reinforcement approaches in slabs and decks construction. Being licensed to produce GFRP bars in accordance to ACI code, Viva Fiberglass bars are used for both local small private houses and big international projects like malls, stadiums, office buildings, factories, roads and bridges. Viva is ready to redesign slabs and decks of projects in any African country and, being part of African Free Trade Initiative, ready to supply internationally at a very competitive price.